Stop staring at broken endpoints and wondering why your front end is crashing. Most junior developers waste hours chasing phantom bugs when the culprit is usually a simple header mismatch or a silent status code error. Today, we're fixing 5 common mistakes by moving away from chaotic troubleshooting. You might think your JSON payload is perfect, but if your content type header is missing or set to text/plain, the server will reject it before even looking at your data. Always verify the actual network trace in your browser or API client console because what you coded in your fetch request isn't always what is being transmitted across the wire. Once you have confirmed your outgoing headers are correct, you need to shift your focus immediately to the specific error object the server sends back to find the real culprit. Treating every non-200 response as a generic failure is a massive time sink because the server is usually telling you exactly what is wrong in the response body. You need to map specific HTTP status codes to custom validation logic in your front-end code so your application can react intelligently instead of just crashing. Shift to a proactive approach by inspecting the raw JSON error object before it even hits your catch block to identify missing fields or type mismatches in real time. Stop wasting time with manual retries. By using a modern interceptor, you can pause a failing request and edit the payload mid-flight to see exactly how the server responds. You can simulate edge cases and server timeouts locally by throttling specific endpoints, allowing you to build resilient error boundaries that prevent your application from crashing in production environments. Move beyond manual interception by automating your data flow with dynamic variables that pass data between requests, ensuring your test suite stays in sync without you having to copy and paste IDs. One of the most common traps is using static IDs or tokens that eventually expire, causing you to chase false positive bugs that aren't actually problems with your logic. You should implement environment variables and dynamic chaining so the output of your login or create calls automatically feeds into your subsequent requests without manual intervention. Professional debugging involves setting up automated pre-flight logic where your tools handle the data state for you, ensuring your payloads are always fresh and contextually accurate. Stop manually calculating headers. Use pre-request scripts to automatically generate complex authentication signatures and dynamic timestamps that ensure every outbound request is cryptographically valid. Replace the old guess and check method with a streamlined local-first process that uses shared environment collections to guarantee consistent debugging results across your entire engineering team. Mastering these 5 corrections transforms your chaotic debugging sessions into a repeatable professional workflow that catches errors in development before they ever reach your users. Check out our platform at the link below to level up your API game.